Welcome back again with yet another episode. This Honda Pilot servicing has due, so oil change has been done already, and we are going to set the maintenance data for you to see. So check it out inside the car, and everything is on the setting on the screen. So I'm going to take you into details and teach you how to reset it. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to restart the engine. Then okay, engine has been restart, and you can see maintenance schedule is due. Okay, maintenance is due, so I'm going to set everything on the screen. So just watch it, everything is on the screen. So if you open the screen, you have to go to settings. Okay, so I just tap setting. Okay, when you go to setting, you scroll down to vehicle. This is where all the settings have been scheduled to. So I'll just scroll down, and then you see driving position setup, keyless access setup, lighting setup, door setup, power tailgate setup, and then maintenance info. So I just have to press it. Okay, and this is what the system is asking. Oil life is 5%, maintenance item number. So we have B, oil and filter, and then 1 tire rotation. So I have to enter reset. Okay, then again, would you like to reset maintenance information? Oil life 5%, maintenance item number B1, reset or cancel. Then I enter reset. Okay, maintenance has been reset successfully. Okay, so this is how it is. And okay, let's check the screen whether you can see it or not. Coming back to the screen, no maintenance schedule again. Okay, it's hookup. Okay, so this is how it is, and it's Eric Auto Center. Please like this video, share and comment, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. Put your comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.